Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django. So in today's video, we are going to make this edit block button functional. Okay, so to do this, we will go to VS Code and I'll hide this terminal. I'll close all these files. Okay, now I will go to main and views.py file. Okay, now before views.py we will create the form. So don't go there. We will create form for updating blocks. So here I will write class and I think our update block form is going to be same, so I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, and here instead of this create block form I will say update block form. Okay, so this look fine. Now we will go to views.py and at the very top first we will import the form. So I will say update block form and here below I will create class which will be update blog view and I will pass login, required mixing, success message mixing and generics dot update view. Okay, now this will take few things. So it first will be our model. So model equals to blog, then it will take template name. So I will just copy this variable equals to main slash update underscore blog.html. I will copy this name, come to templates, then main folder, right click over here and create new file and paste that name and hit enter. We will edit this in a second. Then after doing this, we need this login, success URL and success message. So I will paste it over here. Your blog has been updated. Okay, now after doing this, we will copy this class name. We will go to urls.py. Here I will create URL for update. So path, then I will say update underscore blog, then it will take the pick key, I mean primary key, so we will give int and pick key because primary key is in integer form slash, then I will give views dot our class name, then as view, then we will say name equals to update blog only. Now I will copy this one and I will go to blog underscore detail and here I will add the URL. So URL and I will paste that name and here I will write blog dot id. Now come over here, refresh and click over here. It is saying that using models form mixing the class based view blog update without the fields attribute. Okay, so we have done some mistake. Let us see in views.py. Okay, we have not added form underscore class equals to the update blog form. I think this should work now. Okay, it is working. Now we will edit the blog update underscore blog.html file. Okay, so here I will extend base.html, then I will say block content. I will create form. With post method I will remove this action, and in form I will first import this CSRF token. So CSRF token, then I will say form dot as underscore p. Okay, now above this form I will import form dot media. Okay, as we have done in this create blog, like this. So okay, I will copy this button, and we have not passed any class, so I will just pass the button classes. So btn hyphen success. Okay, I will just copy this button now, and go to update underscore blog and paste that button over here, and we will say update blog. Okay, now after doing this we need that JavaScript which we have wrote, okay, to pass the ID to the author. So I will just copy this JavaScript also, and I will paste this below the form. Now this should work. Okay, come over here, refresh, and you can see we have got this field. Now instead of this Rolls-Royce Motors Limited, I will just say Rolls-Royce Cars, and for this content I will just create the table, and I will what should I do? I don't know. I will do something crazy. I will just remove the spaces first, and below this I will add one another image. So I will take URL from the Rolls-Royce Wikipedia page. So Rolls-Royce Wikipedia, and I will go well down. I will take image of this car, right click and open a new tab. I'll just copy this link, paste it, and click OK. So I don't want this, and I also want to have some margin. So let us see if we have styling. Yes, we have. So margin hyphen left will be 5px. Okay, it is not showing. We will add space only. Okay, after adding this space I will go ahead and add some emojis. So I am adding any random one. Now if I click on update blog and go to read more, then you can see we have got these emojis, and we have also added the image, extra image over here. Okay, so our update blog is working fine. Now in next video we are going to see that how we can delete the blog also. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.